How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a cool 2007 classic Chevrolet LS Shortbox 4-wheel drive. Super clean, all original panel truck, original paint, super nice. Two owner. I got the truck out of Georgia. So all the headlights, the grill, everything excellent condition. I tell you, it's hard to find the 07 Classics body style with the cat eye headlights, especially in a short box 4-wheel drive. Truck's got a couple of very small door dings in it. Other than that, is excellent condition. It's all original underneath, not been all blacked out or nothing. Just a super nice truck. It's got the rear hitch, got a tow package. Bumper looks like brand new. They did the stainless side steps on it. It's got a later model set of wheels, 18-inch and Michelin tires. I mean, you can see how clean this truck is, all under the hood, everything. Very clean, nice truck. Truck does have 120 on it. Just turned over. I've personally put about 400 miles on this truck. Come out of Georgia. You see how clean the doors, everything. It's just such a clean truck. I mean, well taken care of. Got power mirrors, power windows, power locks, tilt wheel, gauge package. I mean, the seats, excellent. There's no wear in the seats. There's not even any scuffs on the rocker from getting in and out. Got a factory bed liner in it. All underneath the liner is very nice. It's not all beat up or nothing. I tell you, it's just a super nice truck. This truck's like a new truck. You can see there's just no rust or anything anywhere in the truck. Got an updated stereo with navigation and everything. Very nicely installed. Got the fold-up armrest that gives you the third seat. This does have the 4.3 liter in it. Thing purrs like a kitten. Everything works. AC blows cold. It's just a suit. You see how clean it is down the sides. In original paint, it's just really no flaws to speak of. I tell you, that truck drives and rides like a brand new one. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. You can also visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. And you can follow us on Facebook. Have a great day, folks.